Hello. Good afternoon. I am Margaret Layton, and today I am here to talk about two mobile phones that are widely used by audiovisual producers. Do you want to know which cell phones I am talking about? I invite you to continue watching this video. The first cell phone is Huawei P20 Pro. The Huawei P20 Pro is probably the best mobile to record video. Also one of the best for photography, along with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and a very complete phone beyond the camera, good performance, a screen, or the scene. The second cell phone is Samsung Galaxy M31. This mobile captures all unexpected moments in life with quad camera. Take stunning photos of your entire world with a 64 MP main camera, or get a bigger picture with the 8 MP ultra wide cameras. 1, 2, 3 angle of the 5 MP depth camera blurs the background, while the 5 MP macro camera keeps foreground in focus. Huawei P20 Pro is the mobile has a triple camera with a 14 megapixel RGB sensor, a second 20 megapixel monochrome sensor, and a third 8 megapixel camera with a telephone lens. Three sensors with a signet functions, to which is also add the dual tone flash of the mobile phone. The phone has a 5x hybrid zoom, predict focus, and slow motion video recording functions at 860 fps and 720p. The Galaxy M31 captured your best angles, with the Galaxy M32 from camera. Use live focus to handle blur the background, so all eyes are you, and look your best whether you're at a coffee shop or park. The Huawei P20 Pro is one of the best phones to record video, taking into account a series of important parameters such as color, autofocus, texture, noise, or stabilization. For example, Huawei's mobile is excellent in all aspects of video, and stabilization is very efficient. The Huawei P20 Pro camera does not have image stabilization, but Huawei has electronic stabilization that work even better, achieving great results. The Samsung Galaxy M31, if you know talk about the front camera, we can indicate that it has a resolution of 64 MP and record video and UHD 4Q. It has LED flash. It is capable of record video at 4Q UHD resolutions. And which mobile did you decide to stay with? With the most expensive or with the cheapest? With the one with the most functions and best results, or with the one that, despite not having the best technology incorporated, does not let you die in the most important moments? I already choose. And you?